We know when Paul's done it, it's been done right. My name's Gina Johnson, and my husband David and I live on Driftwood Point in Lake Tapps area. Our home was built in the late 70s and then remodeled in 1984, I believe. And we had an area coming up from the garage that had a furnace and our hot water tank, and so it really chopped up the entryway and part of our living room. And so it was obvious that if that wall was removed, that we'd have more living space. We knew Paul, and he had done work with us and did our outdoor covered area, did amazing work, just exactly what our vision was. So when we decided to remodel our interior, we knew that Paul would be the one that would help us. One of the things that we appreciated so much about working with Paul and his team is he would come in, he would be at the house when he said he would be, and our home was left spotless when he left each workday. So it was picked up, he'd vacuum, he'd wipe everything down, and it was in our living room, dining room area, and it wasn't disruptive. I think my favorite detail is the beam and also the mantle behind me that Paul made for our fireplace, and it's his personal touches. We've always been impressed by Paul and his work, and he's always made us feel important, but I think the key thing that we've experienced with the large jobs that he's done for us is that he's not afraid to go back and redo something if he doesn't feel like it's right. So we know when Paul's done it, it's been done right. If you have realistic expectations on the time frame and what parts of your home is going to be interrupted, if you're working with Paul and his team, I would say it would probably go just about as he says. So I would encourage someone to reach out to Paul and go through the job description, talk to his wife Luba to help with decorating, and you'd be in good hands.
Such a great job.
And of course his good looks.